In today's video, I'll be showing you this hydrating deep condition. I hope you enjoy this. Please watch the video till the end to see the ingredients and how I apply this on my hair. And if you're new to the channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button. So guys, let's get the video started. Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be using okra and flaxseed. Okay, these I've already used this okra and flaxseed. I use the okra to get on the okra gel, so this is the main okra, so I'm going to be using it again. Then the flaxseed I use to get on the flaxseed gel, and this is the main flaxseed. I'm going to be using it again, so I'm going to use my pot, okay, and I'll put everything inside. As I said earlier in some of my videos, the natural ingredient you use, you can use it twice. Okay, like this okra and flaxseed, I have used them before, but now I'm going to be using them as a deep condition. So I'll just be adding a little water. Don't add too much water so that when you blend it, your okra and the flaxseed will not be too watery. So I had previous okra gel. Okay, so I added it into this as well. I am going to allow everything to cook, to infuse before I blend. So this is what it looks like after it has melted and everything is all inside. Note there is onions inside the flaxseed gel I did previously. Okay, so I just said to add everything together. You can add onions to yours, like fresh onions. You can skip it. This was a product I already have previously. Okay, so inside here I'm going to be adding moringa. Okay, moringa inside as well. I'm going to mix everything together and blend. Like flaxseed is so amazing for your hair growth. I'm going to be putting the benefit of flaxseed on the screen and also the benefit of okra on the screen as well. So I am blending everything. I blended it to a very smooth paste before I strain it out with a cheesecloth, or you can use your wig cap to strain your DIYs. So guys, I'm done pressing out the gel, everything. This is what we have. This is the consistency of what we have. I am not going to add any oils or anything inside. I'm just going to use this like this. This is very hydrating. Okay, so this is my hair after 3 weeks of carrying this braid on my hair. So as I said in my videos of me doing any DIY, any um deep condition, I wash my hair on my braids and I deep condition it on my braids before I start applying anything. So this is week 3. Okay, week 2 I did not do anything on week 2 because I was very busy. So this is a start of week 3. I've washed my hair normal. You use your shampoo to wash your hair the way you wash your normal hair, okay, like when you are not without braids. So I am going to be using this to hydrate my hair because in week 2 I didn't really do much on my hair because I was very busy. I didn't have time to take care of my hair. So that's why I am using this hydrating treatment, because after I use the max with the cloves, that was the last video I did on week 2. So week 2 I use cloves on my hair and banana and some other ingredients which is already in the channel. You can do it to check it out. So this is week 3. I decided to do hydrating treatment because I didn't really do anything much after the close marks I did on my hair. I didn't do much on my hair. I left my hair because when you're busy, you don't have time for DIYs and the rest. Yes, so I didn't do any tea for week 2, but I'll be dropping out the tea I did for week 3. So I'm going to use this. I'm using this to hydrate my hair because I figured out that my hair is a bit dry. Okay, so since I didn't do much on my hair in week 2, I need to hydrate my hair. So this is another way to easily get hydration on my hair, which is using flaxseed and using okra. Okay, so I'm using moringa as well. So I'm going to use it. This is going to help you to hydrate your hair. It's going to help you to grow out your hair. I love the way this made my hair felt after application. So if you watch to this extent and you've not subscribed, please do well to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. My name is Naturally Jessie. Here I create natural ingredients to help you to grow out your hair. I once suffer from alopecia. I am trying to grow out my hair. So I have a lot of videos in my channel. You can do well to check on anyone that suits you, and you will literally enjoy it because DIY have been saving my hair a lot. So I am on my journey of carrying a braid, this braid, for 2 months for hair retention, for hair growth. So I can't wait to see my results on this challenge. And if you want to join me, you can do well to join me as well. So guys, please keep on watching and find out how I had my hair after this whole process. Another tip I would like to drop is anytime you apply a deep condition on your hair, please always massage your hair so that your hair can easily absorb the treatment. So I massaged my hair very well. Okay, so here I'm going to be using a plastic bag to cover it. Okay, you can use your shower cap, you can use a clean film, you can use anything you have, but I love using plastic bag because it's disposable. So after this I can just throw it away. Yeah, so I'm going to use it to stay on my hair for like 2 hours. You can stay more if you don't have anywhere to go to. So I did this for like 2 hours, and after 2 hours, I'll show you guys what my hair looks like. Guys, this is after 2 hours. This is my hair, like the audio moisture is still there. So I'm going to wash it and I'll show you guys what it looks like after I've washed it. Okay, so besties, this is how my hair looks like. My hair is really clean, is really hydrated. I love the after feeling of using this deep condition. Please give this deep condition a try. Okay, if you watched this extent, thank you so much for watching. So the tea I'm going to be using in my week 3, I'll drop it in the channel after this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Sign off from now. Bye guys.